Oh guys, so minsan talaga may mga taong mga loko-loko, tinatanggal nila yung mga prices, minsan pinapalitan nila ng mas mamura. Hey guys, so good morning. Today is Saturday, which is August 7. Papunta tayo dun sa sale. Mag-open tayo ng mga 8:30. So, sana maka-benta tayo ng marami ngayon. Kasi, hindi masyadong marami yung laman ng loob ng bahay. Sakto lang. Pero, sana is marami tayong customer. Kasi, parang kailangan natin ng may-ari yung pera. So, kailangan po natin siyang tulungan na makabenta ng marami. Kasi maglilipat ata siya sa Tennessee. So, hindi niya na kailangan ng gano'ng madaming gamit dun sa mismong lilipatan. So, lahat ng laman ng loob ng bahay is bibenta. So, sana makabenta tayo ng marami at matulungan natin siya. Okay? Tapos, feeling ko itong lacking ko is isang Air Force, and then para makamit ata siya ng Pilipina exactly the store. Kasi sa unang video ito yan siya, napakita ko siya yung mga walis tingting at saka walis tampo na nasa loob ng bahay na nakita ko. Okay, so let's go. So guys, nailagay na po natin yung mga signs and then we're ready to go. So ako lang po dito mag-isa sa loob. May dalawa po dun. Balik tatlo po sila lahat sa labas. Kapag kailangan ko lang ng tulong, tatawag lang ako dun sa kanila. Then, tutulungan ako nila. So, wala naman kasing masyadong maraming malaking furniture dito. So, I think I can do it. Hopefully, marami po tayong maibenta today. And, yeah. We're open for business and let's go.
I'll ask you about business for sale too?
Yeah, everything's for sale
How
here.
much is it?
20.
Okay. Oh, you the marker, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Very good condition, though.
We can check it out. Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, you want it?
Yeah, but I can I pay you right now and I can be back.
You can pick it up later today. Okay.
What's how late you can? I can be back probably in 2 hours.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So whenever you're ready, just pay outside, and I need your name and your phone number.
Alright, and I got this too.
Perfect.
I okay the price of the
TV.
265.
That I don't know. But I can give it to you for 75 for the whole thing. So yung customer na bumili ng dresser, siya rin po yung bumili ng TV. Kaya binigyan ko po siya ng kaunting deal sa mga items na to. Okay.
Yeah, you do this.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Help
take
you?
this. I got it. Thank you. Oh. So, akala siguro is hindi namin alam kung ano yung mga prices. Yan siya. Ayan o, tinanggal. Yan o. So, yun minsan ang binabantayan namin kasi may mga taong maduduga. That's sold. Yeah, it's sold. Yeah. Yeah. sleeping. Look at that. Someone's sleeping. Be quiet. Okay, you sit right over here, okay? I'm gonna try to sell her the desk because she's interested. Yeah. So.
It's a granny.
Yep.
That's what I like about it.
All the drawers are functionable.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm noticing. Everything. I like this. Look at that.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey,
You're gonna get it.
I like this. Yes, I do.
It is nice. You guys always have this or what?
Say it again.
You always have this thing?
Yes, we always do estate sale to people.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this is our business to do estate
You
sales.
live on a parking, Gilbert?
No.
Whenever you guys
He's
ready.
moving, Gilbert. Look at
Yeah.
that guy's moving right there.
Oh,
Look
you
at.
have to wait.
You want to move the car? Look at, move right there. Look at, see the guy's going right there? He's moving right there. A white car right there. That little, whatever he is.
So guys, she decided na bilhin tong desk. So ngayon, tulungan po natin siyang i-load sa kanyang truck. Sabi ko pa kahapon, kapag hindi to siya maibinta, i-keep ko na lang sana kasi na-check ko po siya sa eBay. Kakalaga po siya na $1,200. So sa Philippine money na sa mga 17,000. Pero kailangan po natin kasing get rid of yung kailangan mag-get rid of para po matulungan natin yung may-ari ng kanyang mga expenses.
It's just a matter of sliding in until we get there.
Okay.
What you want?
There we go. You know what? I think I have a movers in my truck. I don't have a dolly, but I have a mover. Do you have a dolly? Huh?
You want some of the things?
Yeah. Did you lock the truck, Bo? Yes, I did. Can you unlock it for me? Binta rin po natin yung washing machine at sa dryer. So ngayon, tutulungan po natin itong i-load sa kanyang truck kasi medyo wala po siyang dali. So, the thing is, meron po akong mover sa sasakyan.
The surround sound is $8. The Sony one with the speakers, it comes with the speakers, or
Show it to me.
that one right there, the Sony one. It says $8, but I think it comes with those speakers. It's the same brand. Same.
No, this is separate. But I can give it to you for $5.
Okay, so it'll be
Then 8, then 5, so
Okay.
13
13. Okay.
for the whole thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, so I have the remote right here. Did you try it?
Yeah, just see if it turns on. I'm taking it. I'll take it.
You take it?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay.
So, $8 for this and $5 for that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So you want the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just paid up.
There's a cord right here, but if you want to try it, right there.
Make your cord in and go ahead.
I think
I'm going to have to remove that bait.
it's this. I think it's this. It's right there, the end. Is that it?
No,
No, this is
right
a
here.
different one.
Right.
Okay. Oh my gosh, yep. So, tapos na po yung sale namin. So, tomorrow is the last day. So, I don't think na mag-video pa ako kasi halos nabenta naman lahat yung mga malalaking items. So, yeah. Maraming salamat. And God bless everyone. So, don't forget to subscribe kasi may mga susunod pa kaming stage sale na papakita sa inyo. Bye.